This video is a how to change engine oil on a 99 Ford Ranger. This will also work for 98 Ford Ranger through 2005 Ford Ranger. What you need for this oil change is an oil filter, a 16mm wrench, brake cleaner, some rags, and 5W20 oil, and an oil pan or an oil lift. First thing you're going to want to do is locate the dipstick. It's on the driver's side. The oil filter is also on the driver's side, down below the exhaust manifold. It's quite a ways down, but it's easier getting it from the top than it is from the bottom. Then locate the oil cap. It's on the passenger side. Then raise the vehicle up. The oil plug is a 16mm. Drain the engine oil. Then reinstall the oil plug. Then lower the truck back down. Then reach down and remove the old oil filter. Then install the new oil filter. Then fill with oil. This truck takes 5W20, 4.5 forequarts, and then like always start the vehicle, let it run 5 to 10 seconds, shut it off, and then check your oil level, make sure it's at the proper level. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this. That saves you time so you can get more done.